your most welcome student. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Elcom Public School, and this school situated in Bhola Bazar. I am your subject teacher of maths, and today our topic is subtraction. Let's discuss on topic subtraction. In subtraction topic, we have to learn today subtraction facts, finding the missing numbers, subtracting 3-digit numbers, subtracting bigger numbers, and estimating the difference, story sums, adding and subtracting together, story sums involving addition and subtraction. Now let's start topic subtraction. That is, firstly we have to know subtraction fact. Let's see what are subtraction fact. Firstly we have to know what is subtraction fact. Firstly listen carefully. That is, what is subtraction fact? You know that there are 3 subtraction facts. First, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. First property, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. You know that when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. As like when we subtract 0 from 22, that will be 22. So you can say that when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Next property, that is second property of subtraction. You know that when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before, that means predecessor. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before, that means predecessor. As like 14 minus 1, that is 13. And you know that the 13 is a predecessor of 14. That means 13 is before number of 14. Okay, so when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before or predecessor. Third property, that is when a number is subtracted from itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. 13 minus 38, that is equal to 0. Now, how we can? Now the next topic is subtracting 3-digit numbers. The next topic is subtracting 3-digit numbers. Let's see subtracting 3-digit numbers. How we can subtract 3-digit number? Our next topic is subtracting 3-digit numbers. Subtracting 3-digit numbers. Okay, let's see how we can subtract 3-digit numbers. Listen here. Let's take an example. Subtract 114. Subtract 114 from 125. When the subtraction is written in such type, then what you have to do? You have to subtract 114 from 125. 5 minus 4, that is 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. And 1 minus 1, that is 0. So the answer is 11. Okay. Now the next topic is subtraction with regrouping. That was subtraction without regrouping. And now we have to learn subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. How we can subtract the number with regrouping? Let's see. And that is 3-digit number also. Okay, let's take an example. We have to subtract 170. Subtract 170 from 336. We have to subtract 117 from 336. Let's see how we can subtract 336 minus 170. Here you can see here that is 6 and that is 7, and you know that 6 is the smaller than 7. So we can't subtract 7 from 6. So we have to take borrow from 3, and that will be 16. Now 6 and that will be 2. 16 minus 7, that is 9, and here will be 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. And now 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, that is 219. Okay. Now the next let's take another example. We have to subtract. There is a question, that is subtraction with regrouping. Subtract 163 from 341. Let's see how we can subtract it. Firstly, we have to write down the number. 341 is the greater, so we have to write it opposite, and 163 is smaller, so we have to write it downside. Okay, so now we have to subtract it. We can't subtract 3 from 1, so we have to take Guru, and that will be 11. 11 minus 3, that is 8, and here will be 3. And we can't subtract 6 from 3, so we have to take Guru from 3, and that will be 13, and that will be 2. 13 minus 6, that is 7, and 2 minus 1, that is 1. That is 178. So our answer is 178. Now subtraction of numbers with zeros. Subtraction of numbers with zeros. Let's take an example. There in an example we can see here. Subtract 205 from 700. Subtract 205 from 700. Let's take an example. 10 minus 5, that will be 10. 10 minus 5, that is 5. And here will be 9. And here will be 6. 9 minus 0, that is 9. And 6 minus 2, that is 4. So that is 495. Okay. Now let's study next topic, subtracting bigger numbers. Let's take an example, that is subtract 1320 from 2462. Subtract 1320 from 2462. 2 minus 0, that is 2. 6 minus 2, that is 4. And 4 minus 3, that is 1. And 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay. Now estimating the difference. The next topic is estimating the difference. The next topic is estimating the difference. How we can estimate the numbers and find the difference. Estimating the difference. Let's see here. The next topic is estimating the difference. Estimating the difference. Estimating the difference. Let's see how we can subtract number from estimating. There are two numbers. Let's round off the numbers 88 and 56. Round off the numbers 88 and 56 to the nearest 10 and subtract to find a estimated difference, also find the actual difference. So let's take an example. 88 minus 56. That is actual difference. 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. That is actual distance or exact distance. That is exact difference. That is exact difference. And when we round off to the nearest 10, that will be 90. And when we round off 56, that will be 60. And you know that when we subtract it, 9 minus 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. That is 30. And that is estimated difference. That is estimated difference. Okay. Let's take another example, and we have to round off to the nearest 100. Now that next topic is story sums. Let's take an example. Divya is reading a book that has 128 pages. Story sums. Divya is reading a book and that has 128 pages. Okay, and she has read 98 pages. How many pages are left her to read? So total number of pages in the book. Total number of the pages in the book. Total number of the pages in the book is. Total number of the pages in the book is. What is the total number of pages? That is 128. Sorry. Okay. And how many pages she read? She read how many pages? She read 98 pages. Okay, so left pages are 128 minus 98. That is, we have to subtract it. 128 minus 98, 8 minus 8 0, and 12 minus 9 3. So that is 30. So left pages are 30 pages. So you can say that the left pages are the 30 pages are left for Divya to read. So answer is 30 pages. Answer 30 pages are left to read to Divya. Okay. Thank you. We have to meet in next video with new topic. Bye bye.